Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to subdivide in Blockbench. There isn't a tool that's literally called subdivide, but there is a tool that achieves the same result for finer shape control. First, add a mesh element. Next, set the selection mode to either face or edge. Most people use face selection, so we'll use that for this example. Select the face or edge you want to subdivide. In the toolbar, look for Loop Cut. This tool essentially works as the subdivide tool in Blockbench. Using loop cut will split the selected area into smaller sections, creating more vertices to work with. Changing the direction controls the orientation of the cut. The cuts option adjusts how many cuts are added. The offset option changes the placement of the cut. As you can see, the cut we made goes around the entire mesh. And that's how to subdivide in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.